Assalamualaikum medium. Today I'll be doing experiment of physical properties of elements. Second is chemical properties of elements, and the last one is at home experiment. My name is Nur Afika Dana binti Darisham, and my matrix number is 23 DBT 21F 2015. I'm from class DBT 1A. The first experiment is physical properties of elements. Firstly is mystery number element for number 1. It has a low density. Next, put the test tube on flame color, and the red flame was produced. The same mystery element was put on the melting point. Mystery element for number 1 has a high melting point. Next is boiling point. One element has a medium boiling point.
Congratulations! You have correctly identified the mystery element.
And the element name for number 1 is calcium. Next is mystery element for number 2. A high density. A yellow-green flame was produced. Number 2 mystery element has a high melting point. Last one, boiling point. It also has a high boiling point.
Congratulations! You have correctly identified the mystery element.
And the element name is molybdenum. For mystery element number 3, it has low density. A yellow flame was produced. Has a low melting point and also a low boiling point.
Congratulations! You have correctly identified the mystery element.
The element name is sodium. For mystery element number 4, it has a medium density. A yellow-green color was produced. It has a high melting point and also high boiling point.
Congratulations! You have correctly identified the mystery element.
And the element name is barium. For element number 5, it has a medium density and produce a green color. Melting point for number 5 is medium and the boiling point is low.
Congratulations! You have correctly identified the mystery element.
And the name for this element is tellurium. For mystery element number 6, it has a low density and a violet color was produced. It has a low melting point. Same goes with boiling point.
Congratulations! You have correctly identified the mystery element.
And the element name is cesium. For mystery element number 7, it has a medium density and produce a green flame color. It has a medium melting point and a high boiling point.
Congratulations! You have correctly identified the mystery element.
The name of number 7 is antimony. The last mystery element number 8, it has a high density. It produces a green flame color. It has a medium melting point and a low boiling point.
Congratulations! You have correctly identified the mystery element.
Last mystery element is named zinc. For the next experiment, it is about reactivity of metals. Firstly, choose a sheet and choose test tube A. Observe the result and the observation will be recorded in the table. After the test tube A is finished, click on the reset button and choose test tube B and record the observation. Next, also click on reset to start a new test tube and choose acid for test tube C. Next one is a reaction with cold water with that 3 unknown metals. The result for metal A is no reaction, no bubble was formed. And for test tube B, for metal B is also no reaction. Next is test tube C. And for the unknown C, it reacts vigorously. And the last reaction is with hot water. We are going to test with test tube A. As for unknown A, it reacting weakly because there is a few bubble was formed. And next, we're going to try with test tube B. There is no reaction for test tube B. And for the last one is for the metal for unknown C. Metal C react vigorously because the bubble was formed. And now we are done with the second experiment. This is a activity series of methods of reactivity. You can refer to it to know what element they are. And on to the last experiment, home experiment. The first one is burning steel wool. The materials that we're going to need is steel wool, aluminium foil pan, lighter, and also glove. First step is tease the fibers of fine steel wool out until they are separated and open. Then place it onto the aluminium foil pan. Use lighter to heat up the wires in bundle of steel wool until it burns. And then record the observation after it burns. And the last one is rusting steel wool. The things that we're gonna need is glass, a dish, water, and a steel wool. First, tease the fibers out until they are separated and open. And once the steel wool has become like this, press a handful of steel wool into a drinking cup and moisten it with water. I'm using a spray to moisten it with water so that it will be easier. Pour the water into a dish and then invert it over a dish of water. I'm gonna leave it for a few days to note the change that happens, and then I will record the observation on the table.